1400 years ago, a book revealed secrets far beyond its time. Iron, not from Earth, but sent down from the sky. Oceans side by side, yet they never mix. The hidden stages of the human embryo, described with precision. A mighty shield above us, protecting all life on Earth, and the universe itself expanding endlessly, just as revealed! Exclamation. Hello, dear friends. Today, we're going on a journey through the lines of a divine book. Not just a religious text, but one that contains codes from the future. In this video, we'll explore 5 scientific miracles of the Qur'an, all confirmed by modern scientists. The fascinating part is that these facts were mentioned centuries before any scientific discovery, with precise words, without tools, without laboratories, and without telescopes. The expansion of the universe. The sky is stretching. In 1929, Edwin Hubble discovered that the light from galaxies is shifted toward the red spectrum. This means that galaxies are moving away from us. Our universe is expanding, a fact that became the foundation of the Big Bang Theory, which says the universe was once compact and then explosively expanded. What does the Qur'an say? And the heaven we constructed with strength, and indeed we are its expander. Surah Ad-Dariyat, verse 47. وَالسَّمَاءَ بَنَيْنَاهَا بِأَيْدٍ وَإِنَّا لَمُوسِئُونَ. The word lamusi'un in Arabic is a present continuous verb, meaning we are still expanding it. That's exactly what modern physics has observed through cosmic data. How could a prophet in the heart of a desert know something that wasn't discovered until the 20th century? Earth's atmosphere, an invisible yet life-saving layer. Earth's atmosphere consists of layers like the troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, and exosphere. These layers protect Earth from meteors, harmful solar rays, cosmic radiation, and extreme temperature changes. Without the atmosphere, Earth wouldn't be a beautiful planet. It would be a scorched, lifeless rock. What does the Qur'an say? And we made the sky a protected ceiling. Surah Al-Anbiya, verse 32. وَجَعَلْنَا السَّمَاءَ سَقْفًا مَحْفُوظًا وَهُمْ عَنْ آيَاتِهَا مُعْرِضُونَ. Protected ceiling refers to a protective layer, exactly like Earth's atmosphere. When a meteor enters the atmosphere, it burns up before reaching Earth. It also blocks harmful UV rays. So here's the question. In an era when people thought the sky was just a plain ceiling, where did this knowledge come from? 13. Iron, a metal from dead stars. Iron is not formed in the core of stars like other elements. Instead, it's created during supernova explosions and then spreads through space. Earth did not originally have iron. It was brought to Earth via meteorites. Iron is not formed in the core of stars like other elements. What does the Qur'an say? And we sent down iron, in which is strong material and benefits for humanity. Surah Al-Hadid, verse 25. وَأَنزَلْنَا الْحَدِيدَ فِيهِ بَأْسٍ شَدِيدٌ وَمَنَافِعُ لِلنَّاسِ. Doesn't say created, but sent down. In Arabic, this verb is used for things that are brought down from outside, like rain. This perfectly matches scientific findings that iron was formed in space and delivered to Earth. 13. Human embryo, a complex process. Inside the womb, the development of the embryo happens in several stages. Brake fluid drop, leech-like shape, chewed-like substance, skeleton, then covering with flesh. Until the 20th century, no one could observe these stages without a microscope or advanced tools. What does the Qur'an say? Then we made the sperm drop into a clinging clot, and we made the clot into a lump of flesh. Then we made the lump bones, and we covered the bones with flesh. Surah Al-Mu'minun, verse 14. ثم خلقنا النطفة علقة فخلقنا العلقة مضغة فخلقنا المضغة عظاما فكسونا العظام لحما ثم أنشأناه خلقا آخر فتبارك الله أحسن الخالقين. Let's break this down. Nutfa is sperm and egg mixture. Alaqa is something that clings, like a leech or clot. Mudgha is a chewed-like lump of flesh, and izam is bones. and lam is flesh covering the bones. The accuracy and sequence of these stages is astonishing. Such detailed descriptions without any equipment could only come from a divine source. 1. The barrier between salt and fresh water, an invisible divide. In places like river mouths, where fresh water meets seawater, they touch but don't mix entirely. There's a boundary zone called the halocline, where salinity, temperature, and density differ. What does the Qur'an say? He released the two seas, meeting side by side. Between them is a barrier, so neither transgresses. Surah Ar-Rahman, verses 19-20. مرج البحرين يلتقيان بينهما برزخ لا يبغيان. The word barzakh means an invisible boundary, a divider that separates two environments. The Quran uses a simple yet precise word to describe a concept that only modern oceanography could explain. Is this a coincidence or a sign from a higher source? These 5 scientific miracles are just the tip of the iceberg. If an illiterate man in 7th century Arabia could say such things, could he really be the source? The Quran often says, أَفَلَا يَتَدَبَّرُونَ? Do they not reflect? If this video amazed you, hit the like button. Share your thoughts in the comments, and if you want more science faith content, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon.